Hi, this video will show you how the leave system works and how to use it. To request leave in Employee Account, click the Leave System menu and create Leave Request. Input the leave type, for example sick leave, leave duration, leave date. Add remarks and upload any supporting documents such as a medical certificate. Once completed, click Submit Request. Your request will be marked as pending. For managers or HR, go to the Leave System menu or click the notification panel to view new leave requests. Review the details, download and check the attached file if provided, then click Approve to accept the request. Accepted requests can be viewed in the History section. After a leave request is approved by the manager or HR, the status will automatically change to Approved in the employee's leave request list. Leave management made simple, fast, transparent, and easy to use.